Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A16. If you are using A16 and you want to make a first time setup, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to you will enter the welcome screen just like that. Just tap on the language to select your phone language which you want. As I have selected English, just select that language, then select OK from here, then tap on start to start your setup. Now from here, you must have to select agree to all to agree all the privacy policy and then user license agreement of phone, then select agree. And after that, if you want to make a easy setup with another device, if you're still having any device and now you want to use that to make as easy setups, you can easily do that as just select Galaxy or Android or iPhone or iPad, but I'm going to set up manually from here. Just select that and just select the Wi-Fi network, and here just enter your Wi-Fi password, then select connect from here, and after the internet connection you must have to select next, and then you will get to this type screen. You just have to wait for it until it's loading, and then we'll have a simple setup. You just have to wait for it, it will take a minute. After that screen you will get this type screen, which is copy apps and data. If you're using any phone, so you can really use that to copy all of your apps and data, but I'm going to select don't copy from here. And after that you will get this screen which is checking info. You must have to wait for it, and then we'll have a Google sign-in setup. So just wait for it, and here you can easily log into your Google account if you have, or if you don't have an account you can easily create one, but I'm going to skip this. Just tap on skip option, and here select skip again, and here you can easily select or create any password, fingerprint pattern, pin or face recognition if you want, but I'm going to skip and set up lettering setting. From here just select accept, and then you just have to wait for its loading, and then let's see what's coming. After that you will get the Samsung account login screen. If you have any Samsung account you can easily log in or sign in with the QR code from here. If you are forgotten your password or don't have any account, just select the third option. Here you can easily create new account or forgot password. If you have forgotten you can easily cover that, but I'm going to select setup letter in settings, and then skip from here, and then select all those Samsung service legal information has some terms and conditions. You must have to agree to them, then select agree from here, then select Samsung services which is auto blocker and customization service. You must have to select them, then select agree from here, and then choose your display mode. It might be light or dark which you want. I'm going to select light from here, and then select next, and here you just have to wait for its loading, and that's all. You have all set up. Now you just have to tap on home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.